The new version of AutoCAD LT makes it easier than ever to create and share your 2D designs across multiple platforms and devices. Improved performance, better ease of use, and enhanced support benefits are key components of this latest AutoCAD LT. One of the first things that you're going to notice is the new Autodesk Desktop app. Beyond managing all of your AutoCAD and Autodesk software updates, the desktop app connects you to learning videos, skill-building tips, and more. Explore everything there is to know about the newest version of AutoCAD LT. Drawing in AutoCAD LT is more precise. We continue to improve both the performance and stability of our 2D graphics. You'll notice that throughout your entire workflow, graphic appearance has been improved with lines, arcs, and circles now looking crisp not only when you're drawing, but also when you're panning and zooming. We have once again streamlined your AutoCAD workflow. Creating and editing center lines and center marks just got easier. Now you can quickly create center lines and center marks from existing objects. When you move the associated objects, the center lines and center marks move and update too. PDFs are an essential file format for communicating your designs with others, but sometimes all you have is the PDF file. You've asked for the ability to import and convert these PDFs into AutoCAD geometry so that you can incorporate them into your designs. This is the first release to let you do that. Intelligently bring in text and geometry from your PDFs and use them like any other AutoCAD object. Being able to customize AutoCAD is one of the things you love about it. Personalization allows AutoCAD to work with you through custom commands, icons, and so much more. Migrating these custom settings and files from previous versions has never been easier. We've redesigned the migration interface to give you a quick and comprehensive look at everything you've customized and that we can migrate for you. Connecting and collaborating with other people on projects is essential to your final design. This release improves your ability to do just that and take your designs anywhere. With the new Share Design views, you can easily publish your documents to the cloud for viewing across multiple devices and platforms. You can create views and layers that can be used to show collaborators key aspects of your drawing. They don't need AutoCAD to do it, just a web browser. AutoCAD 360 Pro, the official AutoCAD mobile app, is now included when you subscribe to AutoCAD. 360 Pro lets you take the power of the newest AutoCAD wherever you go, so you can draft, edit, or review from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop anytime or anywhere. Also included when you subscribe to AutoCAD LT is enhanced user support that helps you resolve issues quickly and effortlessly. Get direct one-on-one global phone support, support via chat, faster response times, and more. This latest version of AutoCAD LT is the best yet, and you'll find its new and enhanced features tremendously useful for all your documentation work.